So good evening, everyone. I am Priyanka, and the paper assigned to me for today's presentation is Alert Accurate Learning for Energy and Timeliness. Uh, the given paper it discusses about the effective deployment of deep neural network while meeting the latency and accuracy constraint and minimizing the energy of deep neural network. So let's start with the definition of deep neural network. So deep neural network uh, used to process sensor data and return the conclusion result to the humans. Uh, Deep neural network have become a key workload for many computing systems due to their high inference accuracy. So these networks can handle tabular data, images, text, and audio data. So I have listed here some of the applications of uh, deep neural network. These applications are self-driving cars, breast skin or brain cancer detection, voice search or voice activated assistance, automatic translation of text or images, automatic text generation, automatic handwriting generation, uh, or image caption generation, and generation of a color for black and white photographs. So I have discussed one of the application of deep neural network here, which is self-driving cars. So in case of self-driving car, DNN has a sequence of images as the input. So DNN has to process these images and decide which direction and with what speed the car should move. So here in case of self-driving cars, the accuracy of DNN should be very high in order to drive safely. Also, the response period of DNN should be low so that the car can get instructions on time. And also the energy required to DNN should be minimum as possible, as DNN is installed on the car and not on some data center. So the accuracy, latency, and energy, these three are important factor of the deep neural network. So there are some prior approaches which addresses the deployment of DNN. These are as below. So first one is system oblivious DNN adaptation. So it adjusts the latency and accuracy trade-off. So in this method, the energy of the DNN is given importance and the latency and accuracy are adjusted accordingly. And in the second approach, which is application oblivious system adaptation, the latency and energy are adjusted accordingly and accuracy is given importance. So the given paper, it improves the performance not just by application or system level adaptation, but it considers both. So it considers system level adaptation as well as application adaptation. So let's look at the alert inference system. So it is a feedback based system. It measures the accuracy, latency, energy consumption, and outputs this to the system and application level. So the alert chooses one of the multiple DNN models and then choose the available resource. It takes the input, it processes it, and provides the output while providing the output. Alert records the output accuracy, latency, energy consumption, feedbacks, and above value in the system in order to improve the next cycle. So the workflow of the um, alert can be defined or can be uh, broken down into the four tasks. The first step is measurement, in which alert records the processing time, energy usage, and computes the inference accuracy for the n-1 cycle. Process 2 or task 2 is goal adjustment, in which alert updates the time goal if necessary. The third task is feedback based estimation, in which alert computes the expected latency, accuracy, consumption of energy for every combination of DNN model and power setting. Fourth task is picking a configuration, so in which alert feeds all the updated estimation of the latency, accuracy, energy, uh, and it gets desired DNN model and power cap setting for the nth cycle. So the key here is how DNN system configurations collaborate to affect the goal. And to do so, alert addresses three primary challenges. The first challenge is the combined DNN and system configuration. The so the combined DNN system configuration and space is huge. So it means that for a given system, so multiple number of DNN models can be designed. So as well as multiple configurations can be chosen. So there are many permutation and combination of DNN system configuration, um, and it becomes difficult to choose like which combination to go with. The second challenge is the environment may change dynamically. For example, input, available resource, and even required constraint, it may change. So, for example, in our driving car scenario, it might be raining, and so it becomes difficult for system to identify which car, in which direction the car should move, given that the images captured by the camera may be all blurry because of the rain. And the third challenge is the prediction must be low overhead to have a negligible impact on the output itself. So alert addresses these challenges using global slowdown factor, which is a random variable, and it relates the current runtime environment to a nominal profiling environment. So after each uh, inference task or each output task, alert estimates the global slowdown factor using a Kalman filter. The mean of this factor, the mean of this global slowdown factor, it represents the expected change compared to the profile, while the variance represents the current volatility. So let's discuss the results obtained with the alert system. Uh, alert has been tested across several platforms and it meets the constraint while achieving 93 to 99% of the optimal energy saving. Compared to the other approaches which adapt at application or system level, only alert achieves more than 13% energy reduction and 27% of error reduction. So we can infer that alert performs better than application level or system level approaches. So to conclude, we can say that alert achieves goal through dynamic and coordinated DNN model selection and power management based on the feedback control. Alert is evaluated with variety of workload and DNN model and achieves the high performance and energy efficiency. So the given paper, it discusses the challenges behind the important problem of ensuring timely, accurate, and energy efficient neural network inference with dynamic input, contention, and requirement variation.